My name is Suraj Namjarao Chaudhary. I am doing MBA in SS Institute of Management in third semester. Today's our subject is manufacturing resource planning, and in that we have a business plan for electric charging station. The introduction of electric charging station is charging station, also called an EV charger or electric vehicle supply equipment, is a piece of equipment that supplies electrical supply for charging plug-in electric vehicle, including hybrid neighborhood electric vehicle, truck, buses, and others. Why we have choosing this future realistic plan for electric charger? Because today's world is moving to the electric vehicles. Why? Because of air pollution, and all our problems are creating in global warming also. So that people are moving toward electric vehicle, and so electric vehicle manufacturing companies are going to manufacture electric vehicle in more quantities, and also in market some electric vehicles are present also, buses, two wheeler and four wheeler. But for that, the charging stations are not available. So that I have chosen a plan to future plan like a petrol pump, is that like a electric charging station. Although batteries can also be charged with the DC power, electric vehicle have an about AC to DC convert that allow them inspective low power public charging station. Will also provide AC power known as AC station to facilitate higher power to facilitate higher power charging, which required much larger AC to DC converter. The converter is built into the charging station instead of the vehicle, and the station supplied already converted DC power directly to the vehicle bypassing the vehicle about converter. These are known as DC charging station. Most fully electric car modes can accept both AC and DC power. Charging station provide connector that conform to variety of standard. DC charging stations are commonly equipped with multiple connector to be able to supply wide variety of vehicle. Public charging stations are typically found street side or retail shopping corner, government facility and other parking area. And for that we have to choose this type of areas where the more charging benefits get to the customer, and the revenue generated by it to us. Standard. The term electric vehicle connector and electric vehicle inlet were previously defined in the same way under Article 625 of the National Electric Code. Also defined the term electric vehicle supply unit as the entire unit installed specifically purpose of delivery energy from the premises wiring to the electric vehicle, including conductor, electric vehicle connector, attachment, plugs and all the fittings, device for outlet apparatus. Sorry. So what does an electric vehicle charging station do? First of all, let us clarify service provided by electric vehicle charger station. You might have seen electric two-wheeler, cars, rickshaw running on the city road. But from where these vehicles get themselves charged? Some people charge e-vehicles at home, like in the cases of Tata Nexon's EV. The company instead installed the charging setup at home without charging any additional fees. But all establishments don't have dedicated charging point at the parking lot with required essential security features. A number of charging stations are required to provide an road charging services. Cost of setting up an electric vehicle charging. The station is very low as compared to other business setup. The government of India has declared that no license is required for setting electric charger infrastructure, provided that it complied with the standard as laid down by the Ministry of Power. Thus, no separate licenses is required for transmitting, distribution or trading electricity for the purpose of charging batteries of electric vehicle. For to set up the business plan, we have to analyze a financial aspect, so that the financial analysis is given here. The cost of starting electric vehicle charger station include only setup cost, which consist of cost of chargers, electricity, software, infrastructure, advertisement, manpower and maintenance. These all factors are included in the starting of electric vehicle charging. On average, the cost of setting on electric vehicle charging point is between 1 lakh to and 45 lakhs, depending upon the type of charger you are going to install. Basic cost charges included are the cost of new electricity connection, civil works, technicians and staff, maintenance, advertisement, promotions, EVSC management, software and integration, and land lease if any. Equipment required for the electric charger. If we land for the charging station at proper location, then we require the following equipment to start station: transformer with subsequent substation, civil work as required, sufficient parking space, minimum 5 ISO certified charger types machines, minimum required safety equipment as 33/11 kV cable with required equipment for material and termination. Other basic facility required, which are informal facilities. The basic requirement: sufficient manpower included technician, drinking water, washroom, snacks counter. These other facilities are required in our charging station. So if you are starting this business, and will it profitable in future? So that here given discussion about it. Electric vehicle home charging and public charging setup businesses are one of the best business opportunity in India. Throughout the customer categories still realize depend upon the traditional auto industry, even automobile industry in the next generation preference. Government has also taken various initiatives to promote the sale such vehicle. GST on electric vehicle and their batteries has been reduced 5%. It is very beneficial to the owner of electric charger station. Income tax benefits are provided up to 1,50,000 on the interest rate paid to their loans. Other than this, state government provide additional benefits like exemption on road tax, registration fees, stamp duty, electric tax is consequently understandable. The increased sales of such vehicle will demand more number of charging points. So these all future realistic plan of a charging station I have explained here. If you want to start the charging station, so as per requirement of charger, we can start it minimum 1 lakh to 45 lakh. If a land is available with you, then you can start easily this station, and in future it is very beneficial, and it will give a more profit as compared to other businesses. It is a realistic future business. Okay, thank you very much.